This OXO 5QT Ceramic Nonstick Sauté Pan is a useful tool for any kitchen. And it offers great value. It has a non-stick surface, so your food will slide right off. And cleaning up is easy. The pan heats up quickly and evenly because of its aluminum body. And this helps you cook your meals just right. You can use it on all kinds of stovetops, even induction. And the stainless steel handle stays cool while you are cooking. The OXO 5QT Ceramic Nonstick Sauté Pan also comes with a lid. And this helps to trap moisture and heat for better cooking. It is oven safe up to 600 degrees F without the lid. And the lid can handle temperatures up to 425 degrees F. This means you can start your cooking on the stove and then move it right into the oven. The edges of the pan are designed to resist chipping, so it will last for a long time. Notice how sturdy it feels. Cleaning the OXO 5QT Ceramic Nonstick Sauté Pan is very simple because it can go right into the dishwasher. This saves you time and effort after you finish cooking. Many people find this pan to be a great addition to their cookware because it is versatile and easy to use. It might become your go-to pan for many different meals. From frying eggs to making sauces. It offers good quality for the payment you make. Pros: non-stick surface, PFAS free, induction ready, quick heating, even heating, steel handles, chip-free rims, dishwasher safe, oven safe, includes lid, large 5QT size, durable, easy cleanup. Cons: some say food sticks, lid lacks a vent, not the best non-stick. Non-stick is temporary, can peel after some use, shape hard to flip. Food quality may have declined, non-stick wears quickly. Features: 5QT size, with lid, ceramic non-stick, PFAS free, induction ready, even heating, steel handles, chip-free rims, dishwasher safe, oven safe. This OXO Agility Series 5QT Sauté Pan has a lid and a non-stick surface made of ceramic. It is safe to use because it does not contain PFAS. The pan can be used on all types of stoves, even induction ones. It heats up quickly and evenly for good cooking. The handles are made of stainless steel. The edges of the pan are designed to not chip easily. You can wash it in the dishwasher. And it's also safe to use in the oven. This OXO Agility Series 5QT Sauté Pan has a non-stick surface that is made without PFAS. It can be used on induction cooktops and heats up quickly and evenly. The pan has stainless steel handles and rims that are designed not to chip. It is safe to put in the dishwasher and oven. And it comes with a lid. The pan is large, holding 5 quarts. And is made to be durable and easy to clean. However, some people have found that food sticks to it. The lid does not have a vent, and the non-stick coating may not be the best or last very long, possibly peeling after some use. The shape of the pan might also make it a little difficult to flip food. And some users think the quality may have gone down, with the non-stick wearing out quickly.